Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine. Today's video will show you some of the fun things to do in Dubai, and it will highlight the desert safari we went on, and I will put up a link to this safari in the description below. But right before we get started, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that I can show you unique travel spots and share my top tips and recommendations with you. Another fun place to visit in Dubai is one of the world's luxurious malls. And no trip is complete without visiting the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, standing at 2,717 feet tall. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Support the channel. Hey listen, if you ever want to visit Dubai but you're on a budget, check out this video I did called Can You Afford Dubai on a Budget? And also check out this video right here. It's my most viewed video, Capri Walking Tour.